In the name of Allah, we are going to learn the lateral ventricle of the cerebrum today. And you are looking from the lateral aspect of the brain model, right? And kindly concentrate. This is the longitudinal fissure, if you can observe. I'm gonna take this into two parts, and you are looking into the hemisection of the cerebrum and rest of the brain tissues. So let's first revise few parts. You can see here are in this medial aspect, you can see the cerebral cortex, right? And this is the frontal lobe, and here you observe the parietal lobe, and where my thumb is, this is the occipital lobe. Here you can see the cerebellum as well. And what else you are observing? You can see a large white matter that is called as corpus callosum. And what are its parts? This portion, let me mark it with the pencil. Now I can show you that this is the rostrum of the corpus callosum. This area is called as genu, right? And this is the body or trunk of the corpus callosum, and this portion is its posterior end or splenium of the corpus callosum. And another important structure in learning process of lateral ventricle is that this is the fornix, right? The area between the fornix and the corpus callosum is being covered by a septal-like tissue called as septum pellucidum. Is it clear? And what else you see? This region is for the diencephalon, and this is the area for the thalamus. This yellow one is the interthalamic adhesion. And what else you are looking into? You can see the choroid plexus here, and that portion is taking part in the formation of CSF. And now we have to learn various cavities of your brain, and today we are learning in detail the lateral ventricle. So first of all, you have to imagine the shape of it, which is, if you concentrate on the appearance of my hand. Okay, now for the look of the lateral ventricle, you have to concentrate on my hand. This is just like a C shape, like that of your lateral ventricle. So concentrate. This is the anterior horn, and if this place is the interventricular foramen location, just behind that up to the splenium of the corpus callosum, this area is called as central part of the lateral ventricle. Now you can see the extended posterior portion of the lateral ventricle. This is called as posterior horn. And another thing you have to concentrate, that the lower lying horn is the inferior horn, right?